Hey, I'm Ivy with WTI, and today I wanted to talk about this 11 by 14 wall mount frame. When you first take the frame out of its package, you'll notice that there's a plastic seal on the cover. Once you peel it off, it'll reveal this really shiny, matte plastic cover that will go on top of your photograph. I absolutely love this because it protects it from any scratches so that you get a high quality frame. This will give your photographs a really nice, shiny, glossy look. I actually use these frames for my own photographs that I was displaying in a juried art show. As you can see, these frames give it the final touch, and it looks super professional. I also love that this frame is very easy to assemble. When you take all the pieces out, you lay your frame flat on a flat surface, and then you put in the white border around it. So then that little square is going to be the 11 by 14. Then you can place your 11 by 14 photograph, whichever one of your choice. After that, you put in the last layer, which is the cardboard corkboard material. And then that's the back of your frame, and you secure it with these little hooks that go into these specific slots. Once you put it in, you can just slide them right in. That will secure your frame. And after that, your frame is ready to go. You can also mount this frame vertically or horizontally. The vertical hook will be at the very top of the frame, and the hook on the side will be the one on the left. As you can see here, this will allow you to mount your frame both ways. I absolutely love this frame because it was exactly what I was looking for, but that's just my point of view.